my co-host. My co-host, beautiful, sensational, Kaliyug girl. We know her as Dhadak Dhadak girl. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for a pole star creator, Smiley Suri.
Okay, so thank you so much. By the way, sorry for the delay. We're here. Before we start, Kaliyug ko aaj 12 saal hue hain. And yes, I had a school, a pole school called Pole Star. But here we are both here to celebrate our mentor, Sandeep Soparkar, in a new avatar. And let me tell you, Raj Kumar, who has introduced me so well that I tripped, is a fantastic dancer, television theatre actor who shot to fame when he entered MTV's sensational show Roadies. And he's the first male pole dancer with me. After that, he's worked on television shows like Balika Vadhu, Jat Ki Jupni, and many more. And nowadays, he's learning pole dance with me, of course, under my guidance. So, we both here are for a selfish motive, promoting ourselves.
Well, thank you so much for wonderful introduction, yaar. I mean, dekho, I have introduced you very well. You have introduced me very well. So dinner हमारा confirm था, तो तुम्हारी तरफ से, because I have introduced really well, है ना? तो पोल तो मेरी तरफ से जाता है. Well, आज हमको जो हम important cause के लिए यहाँ पर आए, we should carry forward with that. So ladies and gentlemen, me Rajkumar, Smiley Suri will take you for this wonderful afternoon. तो यहाँ पर we are here for the month December का cover launch of BE magazine. Clear? Thank you Junkyard Cafe अपनी जगह देने के लिए और हमें बर्दाश्त करने के लिए.
First and foremost, before we start this wonderful evening, let's all stand up and take pray a moment of silence for Mr. Shashi Kapoor's demise. He meant a lot to us, to the entertainment world. May his soul rest in peace. We're also very sorry that the event was postponed because of his demise. So let's all pray for his soul for 1 minute. Thank you. BE Publication is a monthly magazine on health, wellness and lifestyle. Our mission and vision is to create and bring awareness about health-related issues, how it can be cured easily, and how our time, effort and money can be optimized to live a healthy, disease-free life.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, in today's lifestyle, you know, when we see a lot of things going like too fast, talk about dressing sense, talk about food to eat, fitness, everything. So BE Magazine is the place where you will be updated. You know, in segment of wellness, BE Magazine is happy to bring limelight on various therapies, healing modalities, which can change lifestyle to better and healthy living. Changing lifestyle in this area is unstoppable, isn't it? I mean, every day with the dance by maestro himself, Sandeep Soparkar sir, and accompanying him, beautiful and gorgeous, Ankita the Lover. Please put your hands together for both of them.
Maestro to model for your year-end cover.
Thank you, Smiley. Wonderful question. And let me begin by saying this, that Sandeep has always been my all-time favorite star as far as dancing goes. And nothing could have been better than the rebirth of a dancer to a social activist. Alright, the king of Latin and ballroom is dancing for a cause globally. With the end of the year going to 2018 as a new year, it's a rebirth of Sandeep for known years as the king of Latin and ballroom, turning to a social activist. So I thought that it's the right time and the right place to get him on the cover and start the new beginning of his Dance for a Cause globally, which is already started by him, but I wanted to take it further. So I thought that, and I got him on the cover. Yes.
Honestly, I feel very nervous because modeling like this for a fashion magazine cover is something I've always been seeing with everybody else do it. My ex-wife was doing it so often and my other friends are doing it so often. But this is the first time I myself is on a cover like this without dancing really, just been posing like a model. So thank you so much for this opportunity. I've been really privileged. I've been contributing in this magazine as a journalist, writing for them for various dance issues and dance related stuff. and it just feels wonderful to be at the cover of a magazine which I've been contributing to. So thank you for this opportunity. And Akash, I know I gave you a lot of time for this, but thank you for bearing with me, and I just hope I did justice to what you had asked me to. So thank you so much. And yes, Dance for a Cause, the initiative which I began almost 10 years back, has reached globally. We just launched it a couple of months back in the United States of America, and it was even supported by the government there, by the United Nations also. So yes, Dance for a Cause is doing very well, and I'm taking it next year to London, to Mauritius. So I'm so happy that this little initiative about using dance as a medium to promote different causes and initiatives all over the world has taken a new initiative. And thank you for putting the cover and making it even more popular. Thank you so much. Thank you. It feels wonderful to be on the cover of this lovely magazine. I've contributed as a journalist writing for this magazine for the past 1 year now. And now to be on the cover is wonderful. Thank you so much, ma'am, for constantly keeping me on the cover. And yes, Dance for a Cause, my initiative has reached globally. We have a lot of shows internationally, promoting different issues, different causes which are very popular all over the world, and that's what has been highlighted here in the magazine. So, thank you so much. Well, the magazine has been there past 2 years. Shobha ma'am has been editing, and I've been contributing as a writer for a very long time, and not just for BD Magazine, but other publications as well. I love to write and I love to dance, so I think that's what has been put together. And Dance for a Cause is something which I began to do, and recognizing it, that's what is more important. 10 साल हो गए उसको, but लेकिन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने इस बार उसको नेशनल एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड भी दिया है, and I just feel elated because it was a small initiative which was using dance as a medium to promote different causes, different issues, और अभी उसको recognition मिल रहा है और it just feels nice. And the cover proves a lot more. It just says that it's a pat on the back which just says all the best and keep doing furthermore, and that's what I do, and I promise to do that.
Thank you so much, Sandeep. It's a real pleasure to have you with us on the cover, and always have been writing for us, and I really wish that you continue writing for us, because dance is something which is related to every person, and it brings out a lot in you. And for a dancer to turn a social activist is a big switch altogether. And to dance for a cause, it really talks about the inside of you, okay, as a human being. And I really appreciate that. I'm very kind and happy to be associated with you and you on the cover here. ये जो मैगजीन 2 साल से मैं चला रही हूँ, this is more talking about health and wellness related issues. The focus of this magazine, the mission and vision of this magazine is to bring awareness to the common man that you can not only heal yourself with the medicines, but there are lots of other therapies which bring in lot of changes in your body with health and wellness. Okay, so you can use those alternate therapies to keep up your good health. Not only the allopathic and the other medicines, but there are alternate medicines. So that was the focus of the magazine when I started it. And of course, because we have a good number of celebrities and all that we are connected with, like Sandeep and others, so we started to add a segment of fashion and lifestyle, which also talks about the changing lifestyles of today in various segments of the society.
Okay, what is your target audience, and if your target audience is including the middle class person or the lower middle class person, so how are you coming up with the ideas to support them? Because when we talk about glamour, it's something really like expensive in Mumbai. So how are you planning to support the middle class people through this magazine?
Now this magazine and supporting the middle class people through this magazine in terms of fashion, let me tell you, fashion is not only about brands. Okay, you can carry yourself in the streetwear also and create a fashion. So it is not necessarily that only you have to go with the brands. And the streetwear is affordable to the middle class. So if you look at the trends, okay, the same thing what the sellers are wearing with the brands, or the high HNI clients are wearing with the brands. Okay, on similar lines there is replica of everything available in the market, and you can carry it too. I mean, who knows what you're wearing, the brand or no, but that helps the middle class to at least feel good about themselves. You know, so that is how the middle class is also following the trend and the fashion.
संदीप, मैं बस यहाँ आई हूँ अपने गुरु, अपने मेंटर संदीप सोपारकर की वजह से। आज मैं वापस अगर कलयुग को आज 12 साल हो गए, कल कलयुग रिलीज हुई थी 12 साल पहले, तब मेरा अवतार अलग था और आज मेरा जो अवतार है, मैं जो पोल सिखाती हूँ, मेरे स्कूल का नाम पोल स्टार है, वो सिर्फ संदीप जी की वजह से। इन्होंने हमेशा मेरे पीछे खड़े रह के मुझे पुश किया है, मुझ में बिलीव किया है और इनकी वजह से मैं आज यहाँ खड़ी हूँ और आई एम जस्ट हियर टू सपोर्ट हिम इन द वेरी लिटिल वे दैट आई कैन।
मेरा योगदान सब मेरा ही योगदान है क्योंकि मैं फोटोग्राफर हूँ। सभी स्टार्टिंग एक्चुअली संदीप सर को मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे हमारी बातचीत हुई थी पहले, बाद में पर्सनल मीटिंग आई तो हमने शूट प्लान किया। बेसिकली हमने 5 लुक प्लान किए थे, तो पूरे दिन में हमने टोटल 15 किए। सर को मॉडल एक्चुअली ये मेरा फर्स्ट बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी शूट था, फर्स्ट बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी। इससे पहले मैंने मराठी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे शूट्स किए थे, तो एक बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी के साथ करने के लिए अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस था मुझे।
सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के साथ?
सबसे पहली बात तो जब आपको इन्वाइट करते हैं प्रोग्राम के लिए तो ऑटोमेटिक आप बहुत स्पेशल फील करते हैं और संदीप सर से एक अच्छा बॉन्डिंग है और मालूम पड़ा कि ये कवर पे सर की फोटो आ रही है BE मैगजीन पे, तो रियली मतलब ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा प्लेजर था कि मैं यहाँ पे पहुँचा।
I think it's a wonderful experience because now Glamour magazine is all about glamour, trending, हर एक चीज़ को up to date रखने के लिए and being part of such event यहाँ पे मुझे होस्ट करने का मौका मिला and I'm very thankful to Sandeep sir and Smiley Suri for being such a great host. So yeah, it's a great feeling.
जहाँ तक बात की जाए, आपको इसके पहले भी हमने कई सारी फिल्में में देखी है, कई सारे टीवी सीरियल्स में भी आप आ चुके हैं, तो आज के इस BE मैगजीन के थ्रू आपका क्या योगदान है? BE मैगजीन में आपका क्या योगदान है?
BE मैगजीन में आई कैन रिलेट अलॉट बिकॉज हर एक इससे पहले जो भी मैंने किरदार किया है, बालिका वधू हो या फिर जाट की चिकनी हो, एवरीवेयर आई हैव डन कैरेक्टर जो मुझे एलैबोरेट करके दिया जाता था कि ये पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर है जो आपको कैमरे पे प्रेजेंट करना है। बट BE मैगजीन यहाँ पे इट्स समथिंग विच इज़ अप टू डेट अबाउट फैशन, ट्रेंडिंग, लाइफस्टाइल, फिटनेस, और मैं इससे बहुत रिलेट करता हूँ बिकॉज आई एम अ पर्सन जो फॉलो अ वेरी गुड टाइम टेबल, चाहे वो अपने काम को लेकर हो, चाहे वो अपनी फिटनेस को लेकर हो, तो आई कैन रिलेट वेरी मच एंड आई थिंक दिस इज सो मी। BE मैगजीन आई कैन रिलेट अबाउट।